Where are you? Oh my god, you're all the way over there already. I was gonna give you a high five.
Oh. Whoops.
Wait a minute. If we're on this team, if we're on this map, I can go sniper. And I can be cheesy. Why is my game lagging? I like how we basically, like, I basically abandoned it almost immediately. What we're doing. Move! There's a heavy, like, right here.
Ah!
Oh my god, no, I missed! I'm so bad at this game! Oh no, they're taking our intel. What are we gonna do? Cool. Get it. In case. Don't kill me. I don't wanna die. Ooh. Let's go for and body shot people.
Shit, I'm out of ammo. Fuck.
Someone show themselves. Come on. Kill him. Kill him. Get out of here. I don't need to aim for the head anymore. I could just aim for the body. It's Machina.
It's the body shot weapon.
No! Shit. Wait, both our Widowmakers have been gifted to us.
Ah!
Run! I'm coming, Mario! Wait, what the hell? I'm using the Cozy Camper. Why am I using the Cozy Camper? Cozy Camper's like the worst thing to use with the Machina.
That's a good one.
Like, I don't know. Ooh, a fun teleporter, boy. Oh no. Oh no!
Come here.
Oh no!
Come here, Happy.
Oh god!
Ah, that was a spike too, dang it.
I got killed by Fast Killer at 850.
He killed you fast.
Damn right he did. Stop them! It's Fast Killer. He's trying to get out fast.
He's super fast.
Dude, he's too fast. Too fast, too quick. Oh my god, that's fine. He's so lucky that guy was low. Dang mini sentry. I'm drunk, you don't
Oh my god!
have an excuse.
Ah!
Wait, is that me? Oh, that's an engineer. Dude, I found a teleporter again. No!
Oh, yeah, I was about to say something about the demo man being up. Oh my god, I killed him fast.
He's waiting for me. Those are just waiting for me to make my mark. He's gonna shoot me in the— ooh! See? Where is he? Goodbye. Oh my god. Oh! No! Is this guy come back over here with the teleporter? Aha, he did! found it though.
Woo! Combat engineer without building mini sentry. Ah!
Wait, are you getting chased by that heavy?
No, I'm being chased by a heavy and a sniper. I can't hit at all.
Damn it! I keep shooting. Oh, hello there. Look at what's going on. Come on, make my day. Make my day. Come on. Oh shit, I missed. Make my day. Come on, do it. Do it, you won't. Or that's powerful.
Another use for that tech.
Oh. Dude, I'm just deleting them. They're getting deleted.
I was about to say, you know, like that's just like mobile confirm. I was about to say mobile confirmation.
Multi-kill. Kill-tacular. Oh my god, I'm really bad at doing that voice. Deleted.
I heard that.
Kill-tacular. Fantastic. Ah!
Monster kill.
They got murdered. Aw, medic is killing him.
Heavy and medic. Somebody just crashed. Haha.
Get his spy. Murder him. Oh, dude, they're all going sniper now. Dude,
oh my god.
Dude, they're all going sniper now. Do you see them?
I saw two snipers over there and I dipped.
They're waiting for me.
Oh, no wonder they didn't shoot my brains out.
They're waiting for me to jump back into my stupid spot. Actually, I missed. I'm bad at jumping. I can't even really get a good angle on them without going up there. Hold on. I'm probably gonna get body shot almost immediately. Oh, where'd they go? Ow! They're saved me. Oh shit. Oh my god. Really bad aiming!
That spy! Oh my god, dude! They know it, they know he's there. They're swinging wildly for him.
Oh wait,
oh
you're dead too. Wait.
That spy made the
Oh my god, you have so many spies on our team. We have 5 spies.
We need those 5 spies.
I was gonna say, oh, maybe go spy or something, go flank them, but no, you already have 5. You don't need more. Oh wait, I'm like retarded.
Ah! Ah!
Oh, I shot him, whatever. That works too. He's just yeah, oof. Oh my god. That fucking pyro. Okay, I need to get behind them again. I'm gonna go to a different spot though. Because they're waiting for me this time. Oh wait a minute, oh my god, I'm so lucky. He's like waiting for me. They're all waiting for me now. That's hilarious. Hold on. Oh, he's trying to do that jump. He did. No, he did.
Oh, I saw that. Oh my god. I love the phlogistonator kill effect.
Okay, wait a minute. If I go behind them, this one's like an engineer here. Okay.
Ah! Ah!
I want to get a collateral, please. One. Chase him. They didn't see me. No! No, he has a Blitzager! I thought he had Crusaders.
The whole team is coming up the mid.
Oh, wait a minute, the RR can probably get... Oh, I wasn't fully charged. I think I probably body shot someone. delete them for here. All I want is a collateral. Collateral. Multi-kill. Penta-kill. Kill-tastic.
Quadruple kill.
Kill-tacular! Dude, oh my god, dude, my voice is so annoying. Is that guy using a Sydney Sleeper? Yeah.
Oh my god, that crit!
Oof.
I think the random crits for
I'm watching,
the
I'm
high-powered
my
item.
sniper spot.
What is this guy doing?
Yes, peek me slowly. He's trying to body shot me to death with a bizarre bargain.
The enemy intelligence has returned to their base.
Ooh, wait a minute. This might be a tricky spot. Ooh, you don't see me. What? What the fuck? Wait, what? How are none? Oh my god! How are none of these connecting? Delete. Delete yourself. Delete yourself right now. You won't. I'm just really bad at this game. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. I'm just really bad. Oh my god. This is really embarrassing. Is there a mech kit over here? Oh my god, there's no mech kit here. Oh my god. Help me! Help me, spy! Ah! Well. We meet again.
How are we not losing? We have 4 spies on our team.
I like the shooting star. Fun gun. Sadly, it's not professional kill streak, but then again, if it was, it'd be like way more expensive. He picked up this sentry gun. Or actually, I think that's just classic.
There's a pyro coming up to where you are, I think. Where did the pyro go?
Pyro ho.
Dang it! I was shooting above his head. I would have gotten it. Scouts are pretty annoying when you can't shoot them. Everything's
How's
pretty
any
annoying.
class when you can't shoot him, such as a soldier?
I just said that.
Yeah, I said any class when you can't shoot him. Ooh. Well. We meet at last. Oh god, don't kill me. I already made that joke. What the f- Help me, Mario! Help me!
Where?
Help! Help! They're gonna kill me!
Where are you?
I'm in their intel room! Oh god!
You're in there? I can't help you.
Oh god! Oh shit, I'm so bad at sniper!
I'll try making my way down there.
Oh Jesus! No, you're bringing him over here! Scout, please. I have 60 health. Oh, you douchebag. No! Scout died to a crit.
So, you see that? You see what they're trying to do in the chat? They're trying to do a trade, but somebody doesn't know how to set up their authenticator.
Even if they do, it's gonna take like 15 days. Maybe the guy's just messing with him, saying that he doesn't have it activated. Oh my god. Mario. Come on, Mario. The medic popped over. Run away.
Oh, good. Well, I kind of wasted that.
Don't
worry,
password.
Don't worry, I'm coming up behind him and stuff.
Oh god, I'm so retarded. I can't hit shots to save my life. Oh, I'm being so twitchy. There we go. God.
Man, heavy. Heavy. Ah! Ah! Oh my god, nice. He saved my ass. That guy was shooting at me.
I'm so bad at sniper, it's not even funny.
Yeah, healing a spy. Haha, get down. Ah! Ah! I need ammo. Ah! 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 Ah!
Oh no, you died. Dude, someone gave my shot to like, they look at them. If they look at them in solo, it looks like I hit them in the head. But no, I never do. Haha, hit the guy for like 173. Oh, he went to go heal him. Let's chase this guy. Do it, chase him.
Oh my god, that's so stupid. Shoot him, spies! Just shoot him once.
Sorry, he's like slightly retarded.
Ugh.
Oh, he doesn't know what to do. Oh shit, he doesn't know what to do. Ah! It's the Texas 2. It's the Texas 2 boys. No. God damn. Oh, they have a there's a heavy coming up towards spawn.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it a medic?
Yeah, you see him. Go around from behind him. Go around from behind.
I'm going.
I'll see if I can kill the heavy.
I'll see if I can kill the medic. Hi, medic.
Oh, dude, the heavy, turn around.
Oh, I got a crit! Yes!
Run back up, run back up, run back up, you can't kill him.
I got him!
Oh,
I
shit,
got him! I got both of them!
You get them. Dude, look, it's a soldier. It's a wild soldier name. Look at him. With the black box and conch. Dude, look, it's a black box and conch soldier. He's dead.
That was crazy and
Dude,
close.
E, just type E in chat. E. Someone's waiting for me. They just shot at my spot. Oh my god, he wasn't waiting for me. He was just up here. Oh, I don't want to fight E people.
I'm basically a medic with a shotgun. I have like the medic HP, but not the speed though. I don't have any.
I should have just kept take a look at. I should have just looked at him the entire time. Well, he dead. He dead now. Oh, he dead. He dead. That was boy. I think, like, honestly, if you're on red team, it really does favor the red sniper more than does the blue sniper. I just need to fall down. They're gonna kill me. No! No! Oh, don't chase me. Don't do it.
Yeah, that soldier got close. Ah, no!
Don't do it. No! I'm on fire. I should probably be using the Bizarre Bargain, honestly. Oh my god, did he really get killed? Oh, why would I ever let you do that? No. If you're gonna pull, like, out the melee and try and chase a sniper down, don't.
Okay.
Oh my god, it wasn't fully charged. Oh!
Grid! We're the enemy team.
No! Yes!
At any range?
Yeah, any range, as long as you do damage, you'll get 30 shot for a shot,
Okay.
basically. Did I really don't honestly just miss that?
No!
No!
I'm not getting out of bounds. Fuck you. I'm retrying.
Haha! Why do you always get auto balance? You're like the only person that I play with that always gets auto balance like all the time.
Get like the worst luck.
Or someone comes behind me and like bats me to death. Oh! I didn't even know we had their intel. Julio. No, spy. Oh my god, I actually missed.